guys, Santino and Kashel back here again, and we have a better shot of the ocean. You can see. Kashel, stop. But you can. I don't know if you can see. Let me zoom out a bit.
Yeah.
There's some land down there. That little black line. That's land.
Yeah. This is a little tip for being a cameraman. When you're in a car, or if you're moving, or if you're on a boat.
Keep it inside the vehicle.
Yeah, because if you drop your phone or your camera, you're in big trouble. Alright, and now we are actually going to be going over a bridge.
Yep.
Look at that nice old Dodge.
Does anyone see my face?
Nope.
Okay, that's
It's beautiful. Going over this bridge.
It's beautiful. It's awesome.
Yep.
And by the way, my dad, I put this here. I put this hat on the headrest. And there's the ocean. Pretty as could be. Like, whatever. Stop correcting me, Ma. Also, here's Bubble from Stuffy Talk. You probably remember.
And Stuffy Talk too.
Yeah, it was terrible on the second one. He's also from Bubble the Bear Show. We haven't made a Bubble the Bear in a while. Anyways, we're gonna get more footage in a sec. Bye. Hey guys, it's Santino and Christian back again. We found a lovely view of a lake.
I think that's Georgina Island over there in the distance.
Yeah, way down there. I think I see some boats, Christian.
Yep.
And there's some pretty happy
the
clouds.
Other end is Berry, but I think that's Georgina Island.
How about strawberry?
And we're going. Bye, Lake Simcoe.
Bye, Lake Simcoe.
Or whatever footage we can get of you.
Well, Christiana, why don't you wait?
There was some.
I guess it's gonna be a long, long time.
Bye, Lake Simcoe.
Bye, Lake Simcoe.
Bye, Lake Simcoe. Thank you for watching this episode of the Man I Boats podcast. Don't forget to subscribe,
Leave a like,
hit the notification bell,
and leave a positive comment on our videos.
good day, and goodbye.